Abama Beach with its turquoise waters, its cream colored sands and the rocks going in the water. It's a beach that should be on your list when you come to Tenerife and the Canary Islands. Here we go, you ready? That's the way to start the day, an AeroPress coffee. Oh, that's goodness. Crazy start here to the day in Tenerife. It's super windy. I think a lot of sand is blown in. This is great from the Sierra, but hey, it feels warm. I'm in a short sleeve. I can't complain. It still is super windy out here in Tenerife, but the surfers, they're enjoying the waves out that way. Today, we're heading up to a beach, a little secluded spot, Abama Beach, about a 40 minutes drive. And just one thing before we get out of town, we're gonna hit one of my favorite coffee stops. Well, at least it's on the way out of town. It's on the way out of Playa de Abama, Blend Coffee. I hit it up so many times last time. I really enjoyed it. And for me, you can get coffee here along the beach in Playa de Abama, but nothing's gonna come close to this place. It's a little bit out of the way, but it's on the way to the highway and on the way to the beach we're going to today. It's in the mall here, but it's well worth it, trust me. This is just what I needed and well worth the visit. Off the beaten path, but Blend Coffee. And today they brewed me up some Ethiopian coffee beans. It tastes delicious. They were so happy to see me since my last time. I love this place. Okay, now that's it. Now we gotta get to the beach.
Thanks, bye, see you.
Those guys were so nice. That's Maxime, the head barista. He's also the Spanish AeroPress champion. I could learn a lot from him. And today, he offered me my flat white. Oh, what an amigo. Oh, it is super windy out there today. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get the drone up to get some nice shots, but we'll try, I promise. I'm running late today. I just had to get everything set up. It's my first day here on the island. I had to do some work this morning, went out and got some food. Now I'm ready to go, especially after that coffee. And to give you an idea, this Playa Abama, it's about 20 to 25 minutes north of Los Cristianos or Playa de las Americas, where I'm staying here on Tenerife. And keep in mind, that's down on the southwest part of the island, so I'm heading west up the island to this little paradise. Now, the beach itself is situated next to a luxury hotel, the Ritz-Carlton. When I get there, I'm gonna explain how you park and how you get down to the beach, and we're almost there. Now, I made the mistake of driving down here because you can't drive down here. Well, you can drive down there and let people off, but there's not parking down there. You have to park up top and then walk down to the beach, and I'll show you the beach. That's the beach down there, and that's where we're going, but we need to park up top. I'm gonna put my Italian driving skills to the test here so I can get back up top and park. That is an awesome 3-point turn. All right, back up top, get parking, and then get parking and then get down there to the beach. Okay, so the car's parked up there, and then you pass all these palm trees, past the hotel on your left, and you'll go underneath a little bridge and you make your way down some stairs. There is a little trolley that takes people up and down, but it's for hotel guests only. This is Playa de Abama, and despite the wind, it is amazing. There is a little break out there that calms the waters coming in, so it makes for a perfect spot to get out there and swim. Even on a windy day like today, it's calm out there and people are dipping in, and we're in January. The waters are nice and relaxing and refreshing on a warm day that's 22, 23 degrees Celsius here on the beach. So nice and warm out here, and this sand, it's that soft, smooth, cream colored sand. Now around Tenerife, you find the black volcanic ash sand, or you find this stuff. If many of these beaches were created by the Spanish government in the 1960s with sand brought in from the Sierra in Africa. Here you see the break out there, and that's calming the waters here, allowing people to just get in these waves and well, that'll dry quickly in this warm sun. In addition to the beach here, it's a small beach, but there are some different little cool, refreshing pools out there as well. You can dip into, and there's ladders so you can easily get up and down the rock. Now take note, because around Spain, it's great. Spain has free public beaches everywhere. And though this beach is associated with the Abama Ritz-Carlton Hotel, and you see those are the beach beds right up there, there is free public access and there's a free beach where you can stretch out and pass the day. Now, what do I rate this place, Abama Beach? Well, it's cool. I would give it an overall 7 out of 10. The atmosphere, 8 out of 10 easily. It feels like a little secluded beach. You got rocks on both sides and it's a small sliver here on the ocean. Beautiful. The quality, it's that soft beach and it's a quiet area. Although this is January, expect in the summertime to be many more people. The value, well, it's a free beach, but the only problem is here is that if you want to drink or anything, all you have is the Ritz-Carlton bar, and there a coffee will set you back around €5. And as for those beds there, if you do want a bed, I checked and the price is €14 for the whole day. A little bit rich for my taste on this trip. In fact, now I'm gonna go look for some lunch. Now we're making the hike up from that fabulous beach down there, and I'm gonna time it. 10 minutes it took me to get up from the beach to this car park up here, which is packed, and it's January. You can imagine what that'll be like in the high season. So not a bad walk and a way for you to burn off some of those cervezas you've been drinking. Hey, these guys, I bumped to my old friend Andrea. You might recognize him from the Tour de France. We were working together and he's out with a client, Paul, today. We're in Paraíso and I found this little lunch spot over here. Most places are closed, I think, due to the high winds.
Absolutely, yes.
It was crazy, even worse yesterday is what I heard, but I got a grilled tuna ordered, and Andrea will laugh at this. Insalata caprese with mozzarella di bufala. I'm sure it's authentic.
Look at these guys.
What a coincidence to see Andrea out there. It's been since Paris on the Champs-Élysées since I last seen him. He's out with some of his clients, and his client there, Paul, flew in from Toronto via Frankfurt, and what a temperature change. There's 0 degrees Celsius, -5, coming here 22, 23 degrees. He's loving it out in his bike, and hopefully my food gets here soon. I'm hungry. They got the caprese too. I love this in Italy. Hopefully it's good here in Tenerife as well, and look at the size of this tuna. I should be good for a couple of days after eating this. This is great. I love grilled tuna. It was so fresh. And this one was cooked just right off the grill and into my belly. This mozzarella di bufala is not bad. I don't care what Andrea says. That was super good. Overall, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Quality, 9 out of 10. That tuna was fresh, it was delicious, and that insalata caprese, that was good. Value, I paid $32.50. The tuna was 16 and the caprese was 12, I believe. Atmosphere, well, the atmosphere is lacking. It's on a corner here in the middle of this Paraíso village, and it's not that great, so that's where it fails a little bit. 6 out of 10, but hey, I feel good. Still so windy out there. Well, that was a good day. Playa Abama, and also that little restaurant there. I didn't even get the name. Later on, I'll put that at the bottom of this video in the text. A lot of these restaurants are closed here today because of the high winds, but don't let that dissuade you. It's still a beautiful place here. I think if you're in Tenerife for a week and a half or a week, you should definitely put Playa Abama on your list of things to do. Also, if you can, stay at the Ritz-Carlton or at least have lunch there if you're gonna enjoy the whole day, because it is beautiful. If not, get up out here into town. You can go to Paraíso, and it's a cool little village, and there are a lot of options to choose from for restaurants when it's not so windy like today. But definitely that's one of Tenerife's cool beaches to visit. One other reason this town Paraíso is cool is because there's another blend here, and Christian is working the machine today. He's gonna make me a flat white. Unfortunately, I gotta get it to go. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so he's gonna get it going in this machine here. It's gonna be good. 2 blends in one day. That's paradise.
Enjoy, my friend.